To be honest, I have 14 leaders on this team. They want to be out there, they're motivated, they come to practice 6-7 times a week and they go hard. They are basically a very motivated young group of leaders that wants to be playing together and learn the sport together.
Well, I think we really work hard, and everything we do, we kind of do it as a team.
Well, you know, it's always great being part of the community at BMO and supporting the youth soccer. And what was great about this team is just, you know, the enthusiasm, and you know, they send in their story about you know, their involvement in the community and how well they've done this season, and we're just really proud to be a part of this event.
The money will help the charity support local kids, so it's a local kids helping local kids.
When we found out we were selected, there was a lot of jumping and cheering of the girls. They were quite excited, they were hugging each other, and you know, team cheers were out there. It was pretty cool.
Well, the whole team was really excited, and I think we were really proud of each other, and coaches were really proud of us. Yes.